Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Math for me and you. Let's learn maths together. Hello, in this video we are using substitution method and elimination method for solving each pair of linear equations. You can see here two linear equations. We could mark them as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Here we are asked to solve using substitution method and elimination method. For that, after marking equations 1 and 2, we can select. Substitution method means we can select one equation which is convenient, and from that equation select one variable, write in terms of the other. After that, substitute in the other equation and find its value. Then substitute in any of the equation, solve it. This is substitution method. The second method is elimination. Elimination means we either delete x or y from the equation. How can we eliminate a variable? For example, here you can see two equations. If you are going to eliminate x, you have to get the both equations with same coefficient for x. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is 1, and second equation, the coefficient of x is 2. If we multiply the first equation with the 2, we can change the coefficient of x in the first equation as 2. Same thing, if anybody wants to change or eliminate y, they have to get the same coefficient for y in both equations. So that time they have to multiply the first equation with 3. But here I'm going to eliminate x. So what I'm going to do is, first equation I will multiply with the 2. Then I will get the new equation as 2x plus 2y equals 10. And I'm going to eliminate x. See the second equation? It's with same coefficient 2. So write that equation down. 2x minus 3y equals 4. And then we can see the x coefficients are same now. How to eliminate x? Subtract first equation minus the second equation. That means the first equation, that is equation 3, minus the second equation, equation number 2. 2x minus 2x we get. Then x will be cancelled. The second term will be 2y minus 3y. So what is the operation there? It becomes minus 3y becomes plus 3y we get. And same thing here. 10 we subtract 4. 10 minus 4. Okay, let's look what answer we get. 2x minus 2x, 0. 2y plus 3y equals 5y. And 10 minus 4, 6. 5y equals 6. What is y? Y is equal to 6 over 5. So we get the value of y. Y is 6 over 5. Now we know how to find the value of x. Substitute in any of the given equations and then we can find the value of x. Here I'm going to substitute in equation number 1. So y we give the number 6 over 5. X plus 6 over 5 is equal to 5. Move the number to the right side and find the value of x. X is equal to 5 minus 6 over 5. We can take 5 also with the same denominator 5. For that, multiply the numerator and denominator with the number 5. So the first term becomes 5 times 5, 25 in the numerator over 5. Minus 6 over 5. Same denominator you could see. Now we can do subtraction. 25 minus 6, how much? It is 19. What is the denominator? 5. So x is equal to 19 over 5. This is elimination method. Now substitution method. For that we select one of the equations. Here I am selecting equation number 1. Then from 1 I select x. Okay, and write in terms of y. So x equals 5 minus y. X in terms of y. Substitute this new equation, that is equation number 3, in the other equation. Which equation? We selected equation 1 first, so substitute in equation number 2. Equation number 2 is 2x minus 3y equals 4. There, in place of x, we substitute the new value in terms of y, that is 5 minus y. So we get 2 times 5 minus y minus 3y equals 4. Remove the bracket. 10 minus 2y minus 3y equals 4. The equation now with one variable. combine the variable. Minus 2y minus 3y becomes minus 5y, and collect the numbers in one side. 4 minus 10, it is minus 6. So what is y? Y equals minus 6 over minus 5. Negative negative become positive. Answer is 6 over 5. See, we get the same value. Y equals 6 over 5. Now the other step, how to get the value of x, same like elimination method. Substitute in any of the equation and then find the value of x. You could see in elimination method we have substituted the value of y in equation number 1. You could do that. Otherwise, you can substitute here in equation number 3, because equation number 3 is much more easier equation which gives us the value of x quickly. That's why I am using equation number 3. So what is x? X is equal to 5 minus y. Give the value of y there. 5 minus 6 over 5. 5 is a number we could change as a fraction by multiplying and dividing with the number 5, or taking the same denominator as 5. So we get 25 over 5 minus 6 over 5. 25 and minus 6 is 19. X equals 19 over 5. We get the value of x and y using two methods, substitution method and elimination method. Next question. Here also we can see a pair of equations, linear equations. Let us mark these two equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. We could start with elimination method. What is elimination? We eliminate either x or y. For that, if we are going to eliminate x, we need to get same coefficient in both the equations. What we can do here we can see the second equation, the coefficient of y is 2 and the first equation it is 4. If we multiply the second equation with the 2, we could change the coefficient of y there as same like in equation number 1, that is 4. So I am going to multiply equation number 2 with the 2. So the equation 2, how changes? It is 4x minus 4y equals 4. See this? And now we write this equation, new equation as equation number 3. After that, we write equation number 1 same without any change. 3x plus 4y equals 10. Look at the coefficient of y. In both equations they are same, but they are in opposite sign. Minus 4y plus 4y. If we do addition, it will be cancel. So I am doing here plus, not subtraction, because the coefficient of y are opposite sign. So we can do addition. 4x plus 3x 7x equals the right side 10 plus 4 14, because y cancelled. What is x? X equal 14 over 7, that is 2 we get. Once we get the value of x, we can substitute in any of the equations. It's up to you. You can select an equation and substitute the value of x. Here I am substituting x in equation number 2. The equation number 2 is 2x minus 2y equals 2. We write 2, what is x now? X is 2. 2 times 2 minus 2y is equal to 2. Then keep the numbers on the right side. Only minus 2y on the left side, and the right side is 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Minus 2y equals minus 2. What is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 2 over minus 2, that is 1. We get the values of x and y. Next is substitution method. What is substitution? Select one of the equations. I am selecting equation number 2. From there, select one variable and write in terms of the other. So I have selected x and I wrote 2x equals 2 plus 2y. And then we can find what is x from here. X is equal to divide throughout with the 2. We get 1 plus y. This is new equation and write it as equation number 3. Substitute this new equation where? In the other equation. That means equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 3x plus 4y. So what is x now? X is 1 plus y. 3 times 1 plus y plus 4y is equal to 10. And open the bracket. 3 plus 3y plus 4y equals 10. Now the equation with one variable only. Collect the variables together. It is 7y we get, and the numbers on the other side. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7y equals 7. What is y? Y is equal to 7 over 7, that is 1. Once we get the value of a variable, we can substitute in any of the equations. As I told, it's up to you. You can select an equation and substitute. I'm selecting equation number 3. Substitute in equation number 3. So I get the value of x directly. X is equal to 1 plus y. 1 plus 1, that is 2. We have practiced both methods to get the solution. Next question. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals 0. 9x equals 2y plus 7. We need to solve these two equations using elimination method and substitution method. But see the equation, they are not in standard form. We can rearrange this. How? 3x minus 5y. Move the number to the right side and write it as plus 4. Then we can put this as equation number 1. Second equation, how to arrange? Keep x and y in same side. 9x minus 2y equals 7. So this is equation number 2. Before answering, please arrange the equations in standard form. Now we can practice elimination method. Elimination method means we need to get the same coefficient in both the equations for x or y. I'm going to eliminate x. So the second equation, it is 9x coefficient. That means the first equation, if we multiply with the 3, we get 9x. I'm going to take first equation times 3. Then we get the answer 9x minus 15y equals 12. This is new equation. Let's mark as equation number 3 and then write the other equation down or below it. 9x minus 2y equals 7. That is equation number 2. We can see the coefficients of x are same, but they are both positive. How to delete them? We subtract 3 minus 2. Equation 3 minus 2. That means in equation number 2, 9x becomes minus 9x because of subtraction. And minus become positive 2y. And 7 we subtract means it becomes minus 7. Okay, we can do that. 9x minus 9x. How much? 0 we get because x eliminated. Minus 15 plus 2y. It is minus 13y. 12 minus 7. It is 5. Y is equal to 5 over 13 negative. So we get minus 5 over 13. This is the value of y. Once the variable we get its value, we can substitute in any of the equation and find the value of the other variable. So you can select an equation. Here I am selecting equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? 3x minus 5y. Now y is minus 5 over 13 is equal to 4. We can move the number to the right side. So we get only 3x on the left side. And when we move minus plus on the left side, it again to the other side becomes negative 25 over 13. But 4 is a number. How to subtract 25 over 13? Take 4 with the same denominator 13. So we can multiply in the numerator with 13. Also the denominator take as 13. And then we get 13 times 4, 52. What is denominator? It is 13. 25. What is denominator? 13. So we could write with same denominator 13. 3x equals 52 minus 25 over 13. What is x? 52 minus 25 is 27 over 13. Then we have to divide by 3 to get the value of x. So we are going to divide by 3. X is equal to 27 over 13 divided by 3. If we want to divide by 3, we can just multiply with the reciprocal. So 27 over 13 times 1 over 3 we could write. Then 3 and 27 we can cancel. And we get in the numerator the number 9. 3 times 9, 27. So what is x? X equals 9 over 13. So by substitution method we have got what is x and what is y. Next, the same question we can practice using substitution method. For substitution, we have to consider the simplest equation from the given two equations and select one variable. Which equation is simple? It is 3x minus 5y equals 4 with the small coefficients. So we are selecting equation 1. From there we select x and keep x term on the left side. Then we get 3x equals 4 plus 5y. From here we can find what is x in terms of y. It is 4 plus 5y over 3. Let it be equation number 3. Substitute this equation 3, that means the new value of x, in the second equation, because see, the substitution method we have started with equation number 1. So we have to substitute in equation number 2. Equation number 2 becomes, in place of x we will give x value, new x value. So 9 times 4 plus 5y over 3, 9x. Then minus 2y we write same, is equal to 7 also we write same. 9 and 3 we could cancel, then we get 3 on the numerator side. Remove the bracket, 3 times 4 and 3 times 5y. So we get 12 plus 15y. Minus 2y same we write, also equal to 7 right. We can see the equation changes to one variable equation. 15 minus 2, what number we get? It is 13y is equal to, collect the numbers on right side, 7, then minus 12. That is equal to minus 5. What is the value of y? Minus 5 over 13. We get value of y is equal to minus 5 over 13. Once we get the value of y, we can substitute this value in any of the equations. Which equation you feel convenient, you can substitute over there. I am substituting in equation number 3. Then x equals 4 plus 5y. That is 4 plus 5 times minus 5 over 13. All divide with 3. Now the numerator becomes 4. Then 5 times minus 5 is minus 25. So minus 25 over 13. All divide by 3. We need to subtract 25 by 13 from 4. Change 4 also with the denominator 13. How? Multiply numerator and denominator with 13. Then we get 13 times 4. It is 52. What is denominator? 13. Minus 25 over 13. You can see two terms with the same denominator now. And all divide by 3. The numerator we can subtract 52 minus 25. 52 minus 25 is 27 over 13. And what is the denominator? It is 3. We have to divide by 3. This is the meaning. If we want to divide by 3, we have to multiply with the reciprocal of 3. What is reciprocal? 1 over 3. So multiply with the reciprocal. Then we get 27 cancel, 9 over there. So the answer is 9 over 13. Look at these two equations. Are they in standard form? No, they are not. So we can rearrange them and after that give the number. First equations, we take denominator 2 times 3, that is 6. Cross multiply to get the numerator. 3 times x, 3x plus 2 times 2y, 4y. Then the right side is minus 1. 6 and minus 1 we can multiply or move 6 to the right side. 3x plus 4y equals minus 6. Now this is in standard form. We could give this equation as equation number 1. To write the equation, second equation in standard form, we will give 3 times 2x numerator and denominator. Then the equation becomes 3x minus y with the same denominator 3 equals 3. Now we can move denominator to the other side. Then we get on the left side 3x minus y is equal to 3 times 3 is 9. See, this is equation number 2 which is in standard form. Let's solve using elimination method. See the equations. Already the x coefficients are same. So we can directly eliminate them. Write the equations up and down. 3x plus 4y equals minus 6. 3x minus y equals 9. And what we will do? Addition or subtraction? 3x minus 3x, then only we get 0. So we do subtraction. And the second equation, that is equation number 2, we do subtract from equation 1. And then every terms change its signs. 3x minus 3x and 4y plus y becomes 5y equals minus 6 minus 9 is minus 15. 5y equals minus 15. What about y? Y equals minus 15 over 5 is minus 3. Now we can substitute this value in any of the equations. Substitute in equation number 1. Okay, what we get? 3x. Same we write. Plus 4. Give the value of y. It is minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 3x minus 12 equals minus 6. What about 3x? Move minus 12 to the right side. Then we get minus 6 plus 12, that is positive 6. X equals 6 over 3 is 2. Next, substitution method, we can solve these two equations. For that, select one equation. Any equation if you want, you can select. Comparatively, second equation with the smaller coefficients, we select that. And from there, we select y. Keep y on one side. Then minus y equals 9 minus 3x. And what is y? Multiply with a negative. We get minus 9x plus 3x. Let it be equation number 3. Substitute this new equation in the other equation because you have selected 2 first. Substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes 3x plus 4 and y we change as minus 9 plus 3x is equal to minus 6. Remove the brackets. 3x, then 4 times minus 9, 4 times 3x. We get minus 36 plus 12x. See the equation on the left side with one variable only. And then the right side is minus 6. We can collect the variables and find the value. 3x minus 12x. That is 15x is equal to, numbers on the other side, minus 6 plus 36. That is 30. 15x equals 30. What about x? X equals 30 over 15. That is equal to 2. Substitute this value of x in any of the equations. We can substitute in equation number 3. So the equation y equals minus 9 plus 3x becomes y equals minus 9 plus 3 times 2. That is y equals minus 9 plus 6. How much it is? It is minus 3. From these questions, we have practiced how to solve pair of linear equations by using substitution method and elimination method. Hope you understand what we have practiced over here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. See you with more useful videos. Thank you.